Hi ladies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsie Halls, and today we are going to be going over contouring and highlighting the face. Let's go ahead and get started. So first we are going to bronze. There's several ways that you can do this. You have the powder and you have ShadowSense. You can also do it with concealer or a darker shade of foundation. Today what we are going to do is we are going to do some bronzing, and then we are going to go in and contour with some ShadowSense. So I like to take the brush off. Just by twisting that cap, and then I'm going to dump some powder on our blending palette. You can just use the brush that comes with your bronzing powder, but I am obsessed with my e.l.f. brush. This is my e.l.f. brush. So it's actually supposed to be for blush, but I love it for contouring and bronzing. It has the perfect taper shape. So we are just going to add some color into the face, up around the forehead. So it's kind of like contouring, except less defined. Make sure you're always dusting off the extra powder. With your bronzing, you're just wanting to essentially go in the areas that you would contour. So the areas that you are darkening, which is bronzing, are going to be areas that you're wanting to shape and carve out. Okay, now that we have bronzed, we are going to highlight. And I am going to conceal under my eyes using our light concealer. Just getting a small dot sized. We're just gonna stick that right underneath. Now I'm going to go in and blend using my ShadowSense blender. And now we want to set that with our neutral loose powder. Again, I am going to take off the cap and dump the powder onto my blending palette. Now I'm going to take my damp beauty blender, get some powder. So we're just going to dust away any extras. Okay, now we are ready to contour. I'm going to take my same e.l.f. blush brush with Moca ShadowSense. I'm going to apply it directly to the brush. Now when you're contouring, you want to start from the top of your ear in a down angle, going to the edge of your brow. Do not go further than that. If you need help finding your cheekbone, you can just go right underneath it and then just stick your finger right there on your cheekbone until you hit it, and then you can kind of see that. Okay, I always brush into my hairline. And then just go back and forth with a very, very, very light windshield wiper movement. Okay, we're just doing the edges of our nose. Okay, now we are going to do blush. So again, there are several different ways that you can do blush. We have BlushSense. You can use ShadowSense. One of my favorites is Mulberry for shadow. You can also mix white concealer with any lip sense shade and actually get some blush as well. We're gonna apply it directly to the brush. And for this, I like to use my Real Techniques Duo Fiber Contour Brush. Okay, with this you want to do circular light motions going back towards your hairline, not forwards. I can already tell a huge difference with blush and no blush. Okay, now we are going to highlight. My all-time favorite part. You can do this with multiple things as well. For a more subtle glow, you can use the Eye Illuminator, which is the tinted eye cream. This is Pearlizer and eye cream mixed. You could also do Sandstone Pearl Shimmer or Pink Opal Shimmer ShadowSense. Or you can use Pearlizer. I'm pretty sure I've told the story about 1,000,000 times, but the very first time I got Pearlizer, it says anti-aging foundation on it, and I actually thought it was foundation. So I put this all over my face to give me that glow. Did not go over super well. Okay, I'm just dabbing a little tiny bit between my two fingers, and we're gonna apply it right above here, right on the top of our highest point of our cheekbone to just give it that pop. Okay, now I'm going to use my Real Techniques 300 brush. And I'm just blending that in. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Right underneath my brow. And that's it. That is how you contour, highlight, and blush. The main purpose of this is to add definition to your face and make your features pop out and stand out more. The main point is to really blend the three together to really create a seamless canvas, create like an ombre effect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more, and I'll see you guys next time.